Journey might need that attorney still, or two. She always in the mood. Gentleman, never rude. 10 to 10 with the move. I'm the dude, can't exclude. Stuck down, fucking blue. Journeyman, still lots to fucking prove. Yeah, shit. And we headed to the top. Big money, thick knots, 2 dough at the lot. All these bars that I jot, pen and paper is all I got. Never NPC, not a bot. Devil deals, they all sold, they all bought. Media controls, yacht thoughts. What a teacher taught, I forgot. Yo, bitch, she a thought. Journey, journey on the road. No GPS, it don't load, but I'm sticking, man, to the code. Fuck it, let's go. My mind is on the cake, but my beat ain't on pass. Blowing wishes, nah, boy, we blowing bags. You can hate or debate, still fly boy. Jordan 88, the I got opinions it takes, but not what it takes. For God's sake, still visualizing my house by a lake. Plenty of states, Audemars, dog 101 make. Tight circles, man. Never no fakes, feeling like a 96 pot, feeling like I need 96 Glocks. Everyone needs to shoot a boy when it pops, just like Nevada boy when it's hot. Never trust a soul when racing to the top. All journeys comes in shape and sizes. When the hate is rising, the stock is fat and appetizing. When you fall, they capitalizing. Trap us in corners, man, so it's compromising. But my calm stays rising, even when the baggage is piling. Even in the journey, we stay styling. Nike wildin', serpent smiling. Yeah, money calls, boy. You know I'm fucking dialing. CEO paperwork that I'm fucking filing. The journey, you can never out-earn me. Yeah, you might even fucking learn, G. Pick up a pen and paper. Shit, you a motherfucking hater. I'm balling like a Laker. Yeah, I don't even know what you saying. Pulling up with an AK. Damn, I might just spray. Damn, you boys is rainbow. Fuck all you gay. I don't even complain. Damn, I'm just in my motherfucking lane. Shit, I don't even know, boy. You motherfuckers is lames. Yeah, I don't give a damn shit. I might just go super ham. Hard as a motherfucker pulling up shit. I might pull up, burn another trucker.